The funniest thing just happened One of the funniest things that just happened just now was Coco would come over here. He was eating right from the whipped cream. Coco! Let's see who tries it. Now, you shouldn't give this to dogs, but this is just a one-time thing, just to show everyone the special trick. This is a pumpkin spiced whipped cream. Like, sit! Sit! Sit, Oreo! Sit! Coco, sit! Sit! Sit!
Why do you knock that off? No, sit down.
This little demon dog. No! I just put peanut butter on him.
Wash the cap off when you're done.
Get over here. Come on. Don't. Don't.
Want it.
She don't like this. But you like it. You love it. Look at this. Wow. Circus dogs. They come around to beg for food for me, and right now I've got ice cream. I finished my pumpkin pie. I've got ice cream now. Don't want to give them too much junk food. I want to have them eat their doggy food. That's why you got doggy treats, doggy food, right, Coco? Look at that $1 million smile. Come on, Tomo. Tomo. Whoa. Come on, Tomo. Come on. Ah, yay. Yay. There she is. Whoa. She's turning into the devil. That's why we call her a gremlin. Come on. Now this is what you need to give to dogs. This is what dogs need. So I'm going to give it to you guys, alright? Hold on. This is what it comes out to be right here. Now. Oh, jeez. Now stand up. There she is. She's doing her circus dog trick. Circus dog.
I give you a
sit.
sit.
Sit. Shake. Shake. Oh, good girl. High five. There you go. One for you. Oh, $1 million smile. BBB. Whoa. Alright, hold on. Oh. Shark. Shark woman. Well, Coco. And for Cha-Cha. Oh, no. There's Cha-Cha. Did I give one to you, Tomo? There you go. Yeah. Alright, gone. You guys will get some more later. What? Didn't you guys like that? Didn't that fill you up? I said, one more. And they said, one more. There you go. Oh no! There you go. That's it. See you guys. Subscribe to our channel. Yeah, that's what Tomo said. That's what Nate said. Subscribe and share our videos with others. And please share our videos with others. Please give this a big thumbs up. And thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. And Coco said, please subscribe to this channel. Nate said, please share our videos with others. And Cha-Cha says, what did Cha-Cha say? Hey, Cha-Cha, put it on my Cha-Cha. Cha-Cha says to give this video a big thumbs up. And Oreo said, yeah, give this video a big thumbs up. Welcome to the teacher. That's what you do. That's Coco. That's Coco.